Take out the machine and all the accessories. Use a screwdriver to fix the accessory holders on the machine. Fix the laser applicator holders on the two sides of the machine. There are two spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber cells and 2 large rubber cells in the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it starts insert the fall into the hole, air may get in, and there will be no vacuum. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the IRF handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the small laser applicators to the machine. Connect the large laser applicators to the machine. Put all the handpieces and laser applicators into corresponding holders.